What's going on, everybody? Matt from A to Z Diecast here, doing some quick reviews. Buddy found this for me in a Walmart. He knows I collect Econolines. He was looking for me for the Pez one. No, I haven't found that yet. Hoping to find that soon. This is the one of 7,000. It was at Walmart. It's not a Walmart exclusive, though. FoMoCo, Ford Motor Company, 1965. Econoline van. Let's open this bad boy up. I don't even know why I used the knife on that, because I don't care if I rip it. Garbage. Okay, so a little squeeze over here. Here it comes. So I'm not gonna waste time taking this off. I don't usually grab the ones with the windows, but the decals, the paint, tampos, whatever you want to call it on this thing, yeah, I needed it. Anyway, here it is. Check this out. This is release 49 of what series is this? This is the Auto Meets series, so it's release 49. This is pretty cool. I really like that logo. It's actually cool because it's no windows here and windows over there, although they look like they're blacked out, but that's because there's no windows over here. So if you look over there, you can see back there. Pretty cool design. This will be added to the rest of my Econolines on the lifts, but not tonight. So you'll not see me pull out my screwdriver for this. Again, quick review. Got a bunch more Econolines coming up. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment. Check out the rest of my videos later.